Be positive.
I am Katie. She is Jess. We are friends.
The positive forms of be are am, is, are. We use be to name people and things. We usually use full forms in formal writing and contractions in conversation.
I'm Katie. She's Jess. We're friends.
We form be positive sentences like this. There are full forms and contractions of be positive. The apostrophe in the contractions replaces a missing letter. For example, in I'm, the apostrophe replaces the A in am.